Hi Primary 4, this week's brain breaks. Why not try mind bubbles? Sit mindfully with your spine straight and body relaxed. Imagine you're holding a bubble wand. Breathe in deeply, then breathe out as you're blowing a bubble through the wand. Breathe in again and notice your worry. Imagine what it looks like. Breathe out and blow your worry through the bubble wand. Imagine it forming a bubble. Imagine the bubble pops and disappears. Keep blowing out worries until you feel ready to go on with your day. Mind bubbles. Or try happy hum. Sit mindfully with your spine straight and body relaxed. Close your eyes. Close your lips. Hum a few notes to yourself until you find one you like. Breathe in deeply. With your out breath, hum a note. Breathe in, breathe out, and hum. Press your hands to your chest to notice the vibration of your humming. What do you feel in your hand and body? Breathe in, breathe out, and hum. Let your humming send calm into your heart. Before you finish this exercise, quiet your humming and take 3 soft, slow, mindful breaths. Finally, fist squeeze. Stand, sit or lie down and relax your arms by your sides. Take 3 soft, slow, mindful breaths. Pay attention to what you're thinking and feeling. Imagine those thoughts and feelings are gathering like red hot energy in your hands. Breathe in and squeeze your fists as tightly as you can. Breathe out and open your hands, soft and loose. Imagine the red hot energy flying away like sparks. Breathe in, squeeze your fists again. Let the energy build. Breathe out, open your hands and let the energy go. Repeat until you feel calmer. After you're done, swing your arms gently side to side to loosen up. Which one will you choose? Why not try one a day? You try mind bubbles, fist squeeze, happy hum.